This is a 6-volt starter for an Allis-Chalmers G tractor. So we picked up a 12-volt starter for the Allis-Chalmers G from Hagemeister Enterprises. They're out of Oregon. Here's their card, contact information. Here's what the starter looks like. Here's where the starter goes. Now the nice thing about this is that this swivels around, which is important because on our rear furrowing bar, this is going to be in the way of how you would probably typically install this. So I had to drill these holes out. They were 3/8. I had to make them 7/16. Now this plate here does swivel. There's 2 little bolts there, so you can move the spacing around. Also had to shave off just a little bit there in order for it to fit right in here. It was just too much. So I had to take off about a, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or so to make it fit. If you notice on the old starter, it was shaped like this to fit into that radius there.